All right, so if you watched the last video, you remember I had a check engine light. We're suspecting that the gaskets that are worn could be helping or contributing to the oxygen sensors not doing their thing. All right, so the exhaust gaskets are here. So we'll change them, reset the engine light, drive around for a bit and see if the light doesn't come back on. Remember, we're still on a stock map, so we shouldn't expect that light to come on if this was the cause. However, if the light doesn't go off, it means I might need new O2 sensors. When you're diagnosing a problem on a car, always start with the cheapest. So waste your money there. Waste my money there. Fix the cheapest things first. And if the problem goes away, you didn't spend too much money. So the car is on the pit. I think the exhaust has cooled down enough to touch, or at least worthy of burning. You can't remove this one without removing this one. Typical BMW. So that's a 12. All right, we need something to hold there. Yeah, so ideally we're supposed to use some Loctite to prevent this, but yeah, we're lazy people, so we'll have to add a little bit of ATF there to get that to go in. All right, so the bottom one is out. All right, so this is the old one. I think you can even see it's not straight versus the new one. So you can see it's the correct size, but even how badly it's worn out. So I think I strongly recommend that you get as close to BMW quality as possible, so you change them less. Let's see how this holds up when we install it over time. I know in the first few months there'll be no smoke in the cabin, and maybe our light shall go off. So after unbolting the bolts here, you have to use a special spanner. You need one of these. Without this, you are wasting your time. So we're gonna... Is that the correct one?
Mm-hmm.
So why haven't you come with the correct one?
It's Africa.
Alright, so we need to remove the bracket here so we can pull down the exhaust to fit this easy. So see you in a bit.
Okay. You said you're going to.
Do they have direction?
I don't know. What I was asking, it doesn't look like it.
They're crap both sides.
Yeah, so just checking for direction. Cheap.
I think they do have direction actually.
Do they?
Yeah, they're not the same.
They're not the same.
No.
Ah, I see. So which side goes where?
I don't know.
Let's see. Yes,
Maybe
yes.
this side goes to the bigger side, eh? To the dumper? You know what? We'll just put it
No, it's the opposite way.
The opposite way.
This part goes on. This is smaller. This is bigger.
So the thicker side goes on to
The smaller side.
Ah. So they have direction. Thicker side. So the exhaust opening is smaller than the downpipe one. So the one with the bigger lip is the one that will face the exhaust side, and the one with the smaller lip is the one that will face the downpipe side. So just gently pry this over and slide it in. Just slide it in. So it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure the holes align, and that should be good. So you want to start with getting these bolts back in the bottom side. just so that it holds it in place. Like so. Okay. We're gonna attempt to put the one at the top with this strange looking contraption. So I'm just looking for where I put the bolt. Just wanna make sure it's the correct ones. Okay. So with my hand, I will attempt to fit this in. I guess I will catch you on the other side. Putting the bracket back. We hope for the best that the new gaskets won't leak. Okay, so gaskets are fitted, no leaks there, so at least for now no smoke will be coming into the cabin. But remember, let's start the truck. We still have the check engine light, so now we're going to plug in our diagnostic tool, and we're just going to clear the light, and then we'll see if the light comes back. If it does, O2 sensor. Alright, so plug in the diagnostic tool. You can use MHD as a section to clear codes. Just make sure that the app is connecting to the car. Alright, contacting DME, connected. Codes, read DME codes. Let's just see what codes come up. So we've got the two codes: catalytic converter conversion, catalytic converter conversion 2. DMTL. So we're interested in those 29F4 and 29F5. So we're going to clear the codes. You can see the check engine light is gone. The car is scanning, no active codes. We can ignore this one. So what we'll do is we'll turn it off, wait a little bit, put it in the on position. Okay, we'll just read the codes again. Alright, nothing is popping up. Just for good measure, I'm going to reset the adaptations for the O2 centers. So in MHD, you've got an option to reset adaptations, lambda sensors. So we'll just reset the adaptation so as we drive, lambda sensors can pick up new codes now that there's no leak. Alright, so we're gonna give it a shot. If the code comes back, I will let you know. But yeah, thanks for watching our channel. More things like this to come. Please remember to subscribe and like and share with your friends. So catch you on the next video.